Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have a user account with permission and that any active documents are saved. Open Start, choose Settings, then go to Time and Language and Region. This is where keyboard layouts live. Once there, add the language that contains Azerty if it's not present. Adding the language installs the layout package. Make sure Windows updates aren't installing. Interruptions can block layout installation. This gets you immediately into the system area that controls keyboard input. Once the language is added, click it and open Language Options, then choose Add a Keyboard. Select the Azerty variant you need, for example French Azerty or Belgian Azerty, because those differ slightly. After adding, you'll see Azerty show under Keyboards for that language. You can remove the Qwerty option here to avoid accidental switches, but make sure at least one layout remains installed. This step sets the system to recognize and use the new physical key mapping. Now switch layouts with Win plus space or click the input icon on the taskbar and pick Azerty. You should test in Notepad. Type letters, numbers, and accent keys to confirm mapping and shift behavior. If keys remain Qwerty, make sure the correct layout is active and that you removed other conflicting layouts. Restart if necessary. If problems persist, reinstall the language pack from Language and Region or run Windows Keyboard Troubleshooter. That typically resolves driver or configuration conflicts and completes the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.